Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the 5th assignment, Saving Workbooks. So this is what you should have open up. Step 1 says in the Quick Access toolbar, click Save. So we know that this up here is the Quick Access toolbar. This button right here is Save, so click that. Note, depending on which build of Office you are using, you may see a Save This File window appear, which that's what I have. If so, click More Save Options to continue with the rest of this exercise. So let's click More Options. The Backstage view is displayed and the Save As command is selected. You can see right here it's highlighted a little darker. We're in the Save As command. Even though you click Save, Excel will automatically skip to Save As for any new workbook that was never previously saved. The Save command will save the current workbook to disk using the same workbook name and storage location. The Save As command is needed to ask you to assign the workbook name and storage location. Click the Browse button to open the Save As dialog box. Navigate to your Documents, Jasper Active, My Projects folder. So you should have a My Projects folder in Jasper Active. Notice that Excel has entered the current title of the workbook as a suggested for file name. Right now it says Book 1. You can use this name or replace it with a name of your choosing. Whenever text is highlighted in a box, you can begin typing to replace existing text rather than deleting the characters first and then typing in the new name. Click in the File Name field. Select the text if necessary. You can see mine's already selected, and we're going to type Price Quote 0630. The 0630 in the workbook names helps to differentiate this file from the many other price quote files that this user may have stored on the same drive. Click Save. You can also press Enter after entering the files to save the file. So mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. Voila, green check. This completes saving workbooks.